We would like to have an introduction about IIT Delhi alumni community and how has the journey been to connect with 52,000 plus alumni.
Yeah, yeah. So Kapil, see, as for the you asked me how we are reached to this level.
Yeah,
Let me talk first in historical context. So
sure.
IIT Delhi was established in 1961 by virtue
Uh-huh.
of IIT Act 1961, and
Right.
uh, and the first batch of IIT Delhi graduated in
Mm-hmm.
1966.
Mm-hmm.
So the Professor R.N. Dogra was the first director of IIT Delhi. He was the founding
Uh-huh.
director, and
Uh-huh.
he was also founding president, founder president of the IIT Delhi Administration also.
Okay.
So we have, I mean, both IIT Delhi and IIT
Mm-hmm.
Delhi alumni organization, which we call
Mm-hmm.
IITDA, IIT Delhi Alumni Association, IITDA,
Mm-hmm.
both have the same father, you can say.
I
So
see.
the origin was, I mean, when you start origin from the same person, there will not be a
Mm.
conflict of views.
Definitely.
That was the advantage we have. And he was 3 years. He was the president for IT Delhi Alumni. After 3 years,
Uh-huh.
we got the one of the alum become the president of the IIT Delhi Alumni. Now, the IIT Delhi president is alum, and
Uh-huh.
IIT Delhi director is now the chairman. So still
I
he
see.
command lot of control us even. He has a financial control. I mean, any check is more than 50,000 is signed
Uh-huh.
by the IIT Delhi director,
I
and
see.
so still he command lot of control and respect, and
Mm-hmm.
he is the instrumental in driving the alumni interest, and they provide the basic support,
Mm-hmm.
infrastructure support to us. So
I
when
see.
I say that, when the historical the context uh, of how we have grown, so the two key person I have told you, the IIT Delhi director and the
Mm-hmm.
uh, IIT Delhi Alumni Association president. So
See.
this is historical context. Now
Yeah.
let us come to how we have built the community, how we have come so far.
Yeah.
I would say it may be equally true for other alumni associations that we are very fortunate that some of the distinguished alum, they come forward and they
Yeah.
build this organization. Even starting when there was no internet, they
Uh-huh.
used to contact the alumni, used to write the post letters, and used to take personal interest visiting the building and
Mm-hmm.
asking what is the key building area, who are the
Mm-hmm.
IIT Delhi alum. So like that, they started the association, and of course the institute also supported. So
Mm-hmm.
when I say again and again how the institute is supported, uh, alumni fees is collected by the institutes, and alumni fees is again passed to the alumni association office by the
Mm-hmm.
institutes. When they pass the money, they pass the detail also, the data also. These are the students who are graduate. So that becomes the basic corpus as far the money is concerned. So that is the
Mm-hmm.
first thing. So, and every year student graduating, every year we are getting money. So that gives the stability as far the finance is concerned.
I
Now,
see.
then we right from the beginning we built that we will be keeping, will not spend the money which we are receiving from the institute. We'll keep that money as a like a corpus, and whatever the
Mm-hmm.
interest come out of that, we manage our resources through that. And
Okay.
to sustain the other activity, we'll go for the sponsorship, we'll go for the donation.
I
So
see.
we right from the beginning, we have the two financial activity. One is the fees, which is a constant source of revenue, supported.
Mm-hmm.
Given by the institute. Secondly,
Mm-hmm.
right from the beginning, we developed the culture
Mm-hmm.
of getting sponsorship, getting donation
Mm-hmm.
from the alumni. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the two basic things were there. So
I
when
see.
this culture was inculcated right from the beginning, so
Mm-hmm.
whosoever occupy the post, whosoever comes to the executive committee, they will always think how to raise the money, how to raise the money, how to get a sponsorship,
Mm-hmm.
and all events should be supported by the
I see.
sponsored money. and
I
they
see.
will think that when I suppose any president quit the office, he always
Mhm.
think that when I leave the office, when I quit my
Mhm.
office, I
Mhm.
should leave more money than what I have received.
Yeah,
What the left my the predecessor. So that's
uh-huh.
how it has happened.
I
So
see.
we got a very financially strong point right from the beginning. So
Uh-huh.
that I think that answer. So I summarize my thought. See, we have been benefited because of the same person was the IIT Delhi director, and
Uh-huh.
same person was the first president of IIT Delhi Administration.
Sure,
So
sure.
and then secondly, that right from the beginning, we have developed this culture
Hmm.
of arranging our own money, getting sponsorship, donation by like selling the merchandise or sponsoring the events, or
Mhm.
that was the another source of generating revenue.
Definitely. And
Yes,
we
please.
see that you have also some chapters and you conduct a lot of activities as well, like Alumni Day, Silver Jubilee, Pitch Day for Entrepreneurs, webinars, musical events. So if you could share some of your some insights on those things as well, like how is that helping you engage your 52,000 plus alumni?
See, if you see the engagement, I give one formula: I
Mm-hmm.
into T, IT,
Okay.
or you can
Okay.
call it information technology or IT or income tax or IT or IT.
Yeah.
See, it's a I into T. I means interaction, T means transaction.
Mm-hmm.
When the interaction will happen among the
Mm-hmm.
alumni, they will also transact.
Okay.
Transaction means they will exchange their card, they will
Mm-hmm.
exchange their job profile. Some
Mm-hmm.
they many alumni also know when they leave the company, they tell other, oh, I'm leaving this company. Why don't you join?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, many will have the bonding which they develop during their institute days when their hostel
Uh-huh.
lives. So,
Uh-huh.
so we always have these two things: I into T, IT,
Okay.
in,
Uh-huh.
interaction and transaction.
Yeah.
So for
I see.
interaction, you have to provide lot of platform. So
Definitely.
why? So definitely, when we conduct any event
Uh-huh.
on the campus,
Yeah.
it has a different dimension. You will
Okay.
feel nostalgia when they visit the institutes.
Uh-huh.
I'll just give one example that when we conduct a Distinguished Alumnus Award, many
Uh,
person, which they set up very some big companies or billion-dollar company. When they come to institute, they what they say, I
uh-huh.
want to play TT in the hostel here. I want to
Okay.
visit so dhaba, or I want to
Mm-hmm.
visit my room.
Mm-hmm.
So those kind of emotional connect, and when they are there, they
Mm-hmm.
come and say, "Oh, this institute has given me so much thing, so much. Let me give
Mm-hmm.
back to my alma mater." So that
Mm-hmm.
is the how the event or the this networking platform, the events, they play the role.
I see.
Now, so that is the major area. Because of that we conduct so many events. Now you are saying the alumni day.
Yeah.
It's like Alumni Day is like a regular event. So
Mm.
it started in IIT Delhi 2030,
So,
and
sir,
it is a very hit
sorry to excuse you.
2013 only. Sorry.
Sorry to interrupt. We'll discuss Alumni Day in more detail as we proceed. So, we would like to understand more details on it. That is why we'd
Okay.
like to save it for our further round of discussion.
Okay.
If you
No.
don't mind,
Yeah.
right?
No problem.
Great, great. So, now moving to the definitely that's a great initiative and that's great insight which reflects that IIT Delhi Alumni Association has been built on core fundamentals which have helped the sustenance of the community even after growing 52,000 alumni strong.